Hi everybody, today I will show how to upgrade easily your .NET MAUI and Blazor hybrid app to .NET 9 in few minutes. Let's go. First, we need to update the target framework to .NET 9 and update the supported OS platform version for Mac and iOS to 15. In the project file, add the new default window package type and update the launch setting JSON. Let's focus on updating the NuGet packages. This will take some time depending on the number of the libraries. Remove packages no longer included in .NET 9. Main page is being replaced by Windows.page. And also we need to change all the references to the app current main page. The frame control is marked as obsolete in .NET 9 and will be completely removed in a future release. The border control should be used in its place. Let's update the styles file, removing the frame and adding the new title bar component. Delete your bin and obj folder and let's start our app. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks.